Dana, some seeing snow today, others just kind of cloudy skies.
I know, none of us got some nice sunshine. We're gonna have to wait until the weekend, unfortunately, for us to get into that kind of stuff. But it's going to be a very quiet week coming up. Once we have these snow showers go through today, there isn't really much to talk about on the precipitation front. But like I mentioned, we had a lot of cloud cover out there today, especially kind of these low-level clouds that make it feel a little bit gloomy out there. And these are going to persist overnight and into the day tomorrow as well. But we have had some snow showers moving through. These overall have been relatively light in nature throughout the day. We just have some moving right now into Washington County. Right along the coastline, we could see some mixing with some rain showers, but overall most of us are seeing some snow, right with the exception of just north of Augusta, where we're having some rain mix in as well. But these snow showers have been pretty light throughout the day. We're expecting the most accumulation to be up in Aroostook County, but not much more than 2 to 4 inches. Now our low temperatures tonight are going to be right around to just below freezing for most of us tonight, but seeing some of those low-level clouds, that can give us some freezing fog close to the surface, which can make roads a little bit slippery. So that's just something to keep in mind overnight tonight. And then we're going to start warming up as we get into the day. Friday, tomorrow is going to be our best chance to see temperatures in the 40s. I would say our best chance is definitely going to be southwestern Maine along the southern coast. Portland's high tomorrow being 40, same with Wiscasset. Definitely going to be the warmest day of the week. And then we're going to start to cool down again once we get into the weekend. But we're not looking at any big snaps of really cold temperatures as we go into the next couple of days. So over the next couple of hours, we'll see those snow showers begin to move into Washington County and other parts of eastern Maine, and then they're going to start to lighten up as we go overnight as well. And once we get into the day tomorrow, it's just going to be pretty cloudy and overcast for most of us during the day. I could see a couple of rain and snow showers popping up throughout the afternoon, but they're going to be relatively light in nature and very scattered as well. So most of us aren't going to see any precipitation throughout the day. It takes into the weekend for us to finally break into some of that sunshine, and that's when the weather really starts to get quiet as we get into the weekend and into the beginning of next week. There isn't really going to be too much to talk about, but plenty of sunshine, especially for Saturday and Sunday. Now, it is going to be a little bit breezy over the next couple of days, especially along the coastline, looking at wind gusts between 20 and 25 miles per hour, especially in the afternoons on Saturday and Sunday. And then as we start to get into next week, that'll begin to calm down a little bit as well. But I'm going to let this European model play because it takes a while for us to start to see some precipitation again. It's going to be dry here in Maine really until we get into next week. The next signal that we have of some precipitation isn't until next Saturday, so not the Saturday 2 days from now. So overall, not going to have too much to talk about in the weather office over the next couple of days. Rain forecast sees 2 to 4 feet. 39 degrees for the water. So we have just a couple of rain and snow showers throughout the day tomorrow, very light and scattered in nature. And then we start to finally break into more of that sunshine as we get into the weekend. And then next week, Brian and Amanda, things are going to be really, really quiet. Don't see really any temperatures that are going to be very warm, not very cold. It's going to be a very average week.
Average is okay.
Yeah, we'll accept average.
Yeah, I'll take it.
Dana, thank you.